Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step process of building an online shop integrated with M-Pesa. So the first step is we're going to install this shop locally. You go over to local WP. Once you're there, that page will look like this, localwp.com. You click on download. You need to fill in particular details. So you need to choose your platform and your organization type. You can use independent. Then the last thing you need to select is your email. Then you can click on get now. It will download. Once you install, it will look like this. I already have mine installed, so we'll just begin by the first step is creating a new site. I'll go over to the add button, add a local site, leave the pre-selected option, click on continue. Let me call this my site demo because the demo I'm doing it for demo. Then click on continue. My environment, I'll choose it as default preferred. Click on continue. Add your username and password. Then click on add site. Okay, my demo site is already added. I'll click on enable one admin to be able to log in automatically. Select the admin, and my admin is demo. Once that's done, the next step I need to log into my WordPress admin dashboard. I'll do this by clicking on WP admin. Next step, I need to install WooCommerce. So to do that, I'll have to go over to plugins, then add a new plugin. I'll have to search for WooCommerce in the search bar. Then click install now. Once it has finished installing, I'm going to activate that plugin. Click on activate. Once that's done, I'm going to run my WooCommerce setup wizard. So I'm going to agree to the terms, then set up my store. You can choose the name of your site, choose your industry, store locality, so on and so forth. So in my case, let me choose clothes and that. You can also choose to opt in and receive discounts. Also, please remember to input your email address. I'm gonna click continue. Once that's done, I can select some additional features. I will highly suggest you go with none. I can continue. Then from here, I need to select a WooCommerce friendly theme. I'm going to use Divi. You go over to appearance. Then I go over to themes. So I'm gonna click add a new theme. To use a free theme, you can search it. You can search for it here. Then you can be able to get it. And if you're using a paid theme, you are able to upload the zip file. I'm going to use Divi, the premium one. So I'm going to upload Divi theme. Go over to my download, select my Divi, then click on open and click on install it. After the theme has installed successfully, I'm going to activate it. Once I'm here, I need to log into my credentials, or I can just put my license. So in this case, I'm going to input my username as well as my API key. Next thing I need to customize is my store design. Go over to appearance, then click on customize. Can also customize my menus. I can create a menu if I want one. Let me call it main menu. Add items to my main menu. So in this case, I'm going to add the home page as well as a checkout page, cart page, shop page, and my account page. You can reorder them how you want. Then publish. For me, I'll have to input products for my shop. So I'm going to I'm going to go to all products. Then I can start by creating a product or import product. So I'm going to create a sample product, then import the rest of my products. So create a product. Can follow the step-by-step guide. So my product name, I'm going to call it, I'm going to add a mango. Then next, let me just leave a description. Mango, you can add a description of your product. I'm gonna use a regular price. Let me say this one is around 20 Kenyan shillings. You can set the sales price if you have one. Then I'm gonna add a short description. Then I'm gonna upload the product image. So select the product image. Set as product image. I can add tags if I have one. For example, I can just call it this one is a fruit. Add to product categories. You can select a category for it. It's under fruit category. If you have multiple categories, then click on next. Once I'm done, I'll publish. That was a way of adding products. The next way is uploading multiple products. I'll go over to all products. Then import my products. I'm going to import my CSV file. Once I'm done, make sure that the CSV file maps correctly to the products. You can counter check that one. They're all matching. Lastly, after I'm done, I'm gonna click run the importer. Okay, I've successfully imported 12 products. I can view my products. So you can see I have multiple products that are actually here. I added the mango one, the other ones I've uploaded it. So to be able to see my site, I'm going to go there, then visit my website. Right now it looks like this. I need to be able to customize it. So you can be able to see under shop, I have all my products that I've added. Yeah, you can see I have multiple products, like click on one. Okay, let's go and customize my store. So I need to be able to remove this sidebar and also edit my logo. I'll go over to my pages, then all pages. Okay, from here I can start building or take a tour. Start building. I can either choose a pre-made layout or start from scratch. I'll build with AI. It's easier to use layouts. So for me, it's easier to use a template. So I'm going to go to online store. And the online store, I'm going to select template. Okay, so let me select this one. Then you can also preview the live demo of it. Look how it's going to look like. Once you're done, you can either choose to use that layout. So from here, I can choose anything that I want. So my case, I'm gonna do away with that one. Here I can add my products. Then I'm gonna select who products. And from here, I'm gonna select how many they'll appear. For example, total count, I've selected, yeah, that's 12. You can customize it the way you want it to appear. And you can get rid of the others that you don't want. Okay, so that's a way to customize my shop page. Let me click on save. I need to be able to also design a global header. For a global header, I'll go over to my div, then select theme builder. And here I can be able to put my global header or my global footer. So I'm going to add a header. You can just add from library. I can select any header that I want. We'll go with one I saw. Can pick any existing header. I'm going to select an image for my logo. And the next one, I'm going to select my menu. So my main menu is that one. So select it. Can select any logo image you have. And adjust the size as need be. Can also edit a global footer. We just need all those quick links. Okay, this one you can select. You can put your brand and then choose to remove it altogether. Once you're done, you save. From here, you can be able to go and see our site. So I guess those ones have already taken into effect. So that's basically it, how to set up an online shop with Divi. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to configure M-Pesa as a payment gateway.